Welcome to Best Choice. The Best National Geographic Kit is probably one of the most exciting and educational tools available for aspiring young explorers and budding scientists, offering a gateway to understanding the natural world through hands-on experimentation and discovery, making it an ideal choice for curious minds eager to delve into the wonders of biology, geology, and astronomy right from their own homes. Number 5. National Geographic Break Open Geodes. Get ready to uncover amazing crystals hidden within these rocks. It's an exciting way to explore geology and find your own crystal treasures. This is a fantastic STEM activity for kids. You'll find a wonderful variety of crystals inside each one. We've carefully selected these to ensure you get the most diverse and beautiful specimens. These are real, natural geodes, each unique in size and shape. The thrill of cracking them open to reveal the natural beauty within is an unforgettable experience. Dive into the fascinating science behind how geodes are formed with our detailed, full-color learning guide. It makes learning about science fun and engaging. This product is from an award-winning developer known for fostering education, imagination, and creativity. You can expect a stellar experience with our US support team. It's a great STEM science kit and a perfect geology gift for kids. They'll love the hands-on experience of breaking open their own geodes and discovering crystals. What we like. Break open these rocks to reveal amazing crystals inside. Geology doesn't get more exciting than this. If you are looking for a hands-on activity that combines discovery with natural beauty, this is the perfect choice. It offers a thrilling experience for young geologists. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools and materials for conducting experiments, such as test tubes, beakers, safety goggles, and different types of powders and liquids. The instruction manual is clear and easy to follow, with step-by-step guides for each experiment. It also provides scientific explanations for the observed phenomena. The experiments are engaging and educational, covering topics like chemical reactions, crystal growth, and magnetism. Kids can learn a lot while having fun. Number 4. National Geographic Glowing Marble Run. Introducing the National Geographic Glowing Marble Run, an exciting construction set perfect for young builders. It includes everything you need for hours of creative fun. Our construction kit features sturdy, tight-fitting pieces designed to stay together during play. With multiple bases, action pieces, and track pieces, the possibilities for imaginative configurations are endless. Watch in amazement as 15 glow-in-the-dark marbles in vibrant colors zigzag down custom tracks. Kids will love the magical glow as their creations come to life. Keep all your marble run pieces and glowing marbles organized with the included large storage bag. It makes cleanup and storage a breeze. This is a great STEM toy that includes a learning guide. It teaches about the physics of motion and aerodynamics, with fun experiments to explore. From Blue Marble, an award-winning toy developer, this product fosters education, imagination, and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with US support. What we like. Watch marbles glow as they zigzag down custom tracks. This construction kit is designed for imaginative configurations and won't fall apart. If you love building and watching things move, especially in the dark, this is the ideal set for you. It's perfect for creative builders who enjoy a unique visual element. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools and materials for conducting experiments, such as test tubes, beakers, safety goggles, and different types of chemicals. The experiments are designed to be engaging and educational, covering topics like chemical reactions, crystal growth, and magnetism. The instruction manual is clear and easy to follow, with step-by-step guides for each experiment and explanations of the scientific principles involved. Number 3. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. Discover over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks that blend the wonders of science with the excitement of magic. You can bend metal with water, make a coin float, and so much more. Each experiment is designed to be performed as a magic trick. With the included magic wand and gloves, your child can truly become a magician. It's fun and educational. This kit includes all the necessary materials for 20 stunning science magic tricks. Amaze your friends and family by making snow appear, creating square bubbles, or becoming waterproof. Want even more fun? We've included a bonus experiment guide with over 85 additional experiments. These can all be done using common household items. From the creators of award-winning products, this kit fosters education, imagination, and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with our US support team. What we like. Combine the wonders of science with the excitement of magic. Bend metal with water, create vanishing test tubes, and more. If you're looking for a kit that entertains and educates through performance, this is it. It's perfect for aspiring magicians and budding scientists who love to put on a show. What people say. The kit is very educational and engaging for kids. It includes a variety of experiments that are easy to follow and understand. The materials provided are high quality and durable. Number 2. National Geographic Mega Fossil and Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets your kids discover the thrill of unearthing 20 real fossils and gemstones. It's an educational activity they'll love. Imagine the excitement of finding genuine ancient treasures. Your children will uncover real gemstones and fossils that are millions of years old. It's a truly unforgettable learning experience. Everything your child needs is included to start digging right away. With a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass, hands-on learning has never been this much fun. This science kit makes learning enjoyable through hands-on discovery. A full-color guide packed with fascinating information enhances the thrill of finding each unique specimen. We are committed to providing the highest quality science toys for endless hours of fun. This kit offers a fantastic STEM gift opportunity for curious young minds. What we like. Uncover genuine gemstones and fossils millions of years old. This extra-large dig brick provides hours of fun and discovery. If your child loves digging and uncovering real historical artifacts, this is the ultimate excavation kit. It offers an unforgettable hands-on learning experience for young paleontologists. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools and materials for hands-on learning. It's a great way to introduce children to science and exploration. The experiments are engaging and educational, covering different scientific concepts. Number 1. National Geographic Dual LED Kids Microscope Science Kit. Unlock a hidden universe with this incredible microscope kit. It's designed to spark curiosity and provide hours of engaging scientific exploration for young minds. Discover the versatility of this device, featuring dual LED lights. You can examine slides up close or explore the surfaces of 3D objects with amazing clarity. This comprehensive kit comes with everything needed to start exploring. It includes prepared slides, blank slides for your own creations, and essential tools for discovery. With clear optical glass lenses offering 20x and 50x magnification, this tool makes learning accessible and fun. It's designed for easy operation, ensuring a great experience for young scientists. From a trusted, award-winning brand, this product is crafted to inspire education and creativity. You can count on excellent support for a stellar experience. What we like. Explore the fascinating world beyond what our eyes can see. This high-quality microscope kit offers dual LED lights for viewing slides or 3D objects. If you're curious about the tiny details of life and want a powerful yet easy-to-use learning tool, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for young scientists eager to investigate the unseen. What people say. The kit includes a variety of experiments that are both educational and fun, allowing kids to learn about science concepts through hands-on activities. The detailed instructions and clear explanations make it easy for children to follow along and understand the scientific principles behind each experiment. The kit comes with all the necessary materials, so parents don't have to worry about purchasing additional supplies, making it a convenient and complete science learning experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.